Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add pictures on your Wix site. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. Here in the center of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard right here. So once you're in the dashboard, just go here to the left, and then you're going to find all of these sections. So right here, you're going to find setup, home, getting paid, sales, and so on. And then here in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit site. So go ahead and click on edit site, and then you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. So once here in this tab, just wait for it to load. This is basically the Wix website editor. Once the page is loaded, if you go here to the left, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you design and customize your site. So here you're going to find add elements, add section, pages and menu, and so on. Go to the first option, which is add element. And then here you can add a lot of elements. As you can see, guys, you can add a text element, image, button, strip, and so on. Go ahead and click on image. And then here you're going to find the option to upload and import. You're going to find free from Wix, free Wix illustrations, and lastly, custom logo. So go to upload and import, and then go ahead and click on this arrow right here. Once you do that, you're going to be right here. So once here, just click on upload from computer, and then you can upload images from your computer. You can also drag them directly. You can upload from a URL and so on. And then they're going to be added right here. And once added here, just select the image you want to add and then click on add to page. And after that, the image will be added. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.